A big fire broke out. The elephant rushed to the cleared area with his family. He found the area filled with many other animals. Animals that would normally eat or fight one another were standing side by side, grateful to be safe from the fire. The elephant lifted his foot to scratch. A rabbit quickly jumped into the space. When the elephant was about to put his foot down, he noticed a rabbit sitting there. The elephant didn't want to hurt or crush the rabbit, so he kept his leg high up. He did this for 3 days. When the fire stopped, all the animals and the rabbit left. The elephant was happy he saved the rabbit's life.